Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the grapefruit coin. My friend, it's time to buy more and more grapefruit, and it's the profit time, my friends. You know what, in a nowadays it's the profit time. So guys, if you want a ready profit, so buy more and more grapefruit coin, because my friends, you can see here that the currently price of the grapefruit in the market is very low. Grapefruit in the nowadays is a low price cryptocurrencies. But you know what, I also know about that the changes occur in the grapefruit is negative 16.5%. The price is decreasing day by day. But my friends, you know what, tomorrow, maybe the next coming soon days, the price of grapefruit will become positive and the price start increasing, my friends, from the next day, from tomorrow. Possibilities. So my friends, that's why I'm telling you, you know what, in the end of month a lot of cryptocurrencies will explode, a lot of cryptocurrencies price change become positive. So same like that here, possibilities that the grapefruit price will become positive and you get profit from a grapefruit, my friends. So personally, my friends, I recommend for everybody that please invest now more and more in a grapefruit and make a huge amount of profit with a grapefruit. You can see, my friends, from the price chart, you can see here, that's clear that in the previous time the price barely jumps, but now in the latest situation they are also starting the jumping mode now. They also start jumping, so it's a profit time, my friends. Buy now more and more and make a huge amount of profit. Anyways, what you think about grapefruit? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about grapefruit? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.